Imagine it's you and your two favorite people at a house party. It's a 7-story house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stories. That's all there is. So let's say it's you, favorite person 1, favorite person 2, okay? There's 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2, 3, 2. Right below the set of 2 is C. That's all you need to know. So on C, you go there. So you're 1, 2, 3. 1, skip, here, skip, here. So let's say you're all sleeping. In this case, you, mom, dad, right? Let's just say. So let's say dad goes up 1 floor while everybody else sleeps. Let's say mom decides to wake up and join him up 1 floor. She goes up another floor. But let's put her back down 1 floor. Let's say you wake up and join them 1 floor up. Say you decide to go up another floor. But let's go back down. And everybody's back to the beginning. Now what about the inverse? Let's say you decide to wake up and go 1 floor down while everybody else stays asleep. What about 1 more floor down? Back up. Back to the original. Let's say you and mom move together. We'll change fingers now so it's easy to reach. Let's bring everybody down at the same rate. Let's go all the way down. Notice 2 black keys. You're on C still. 2 black keys. This is also C. All there is 7 floors. Everything else just repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For now, it's all white keys. Now, what happens, and I'm using these fingers here, what happens if mom stays asleep and you and dad go opposite directions? Simple. Now, what happens if technology arises and you're able to clone yourself? Well, let's clone you 1 octave down. Same note, just 1 octave down. This would be 2 octaves down, but it's the same note. Now, everybody stays and you move down. I'll switch fingers so it's easier to reach. Now, you and your clone are moving the exact same rate, exact same distance. But what if everyone stays and you and your clone move down together until this floor? You stay and your clone moves down. And back to home base. Now, what if it's not you that's cloned, but it's mom that's cloned? And every move that mom makes, the clone makes. Let's take it an octave down. Now, let's say the clone gets to decide who it wants to be. Let's say it'll start out as you. Now, go back to home base and it turns into mom. Back to home base. Now let's turn it into dad and mom. What happened here? Well, this clone wants to have another clone. Now there's 4 notes here, 4 people at the house party. There's no theory involved, only hand positions and clones. You get to decide. Now, what if everybody moves in relation to each other up and the clone moves down? Now that was in order, but what if it's just random? What if you don't have to know theory? What if you don't have to understand anything but follow the sound and just come up with different combinations with your fingers? That's all music is. Now I'm going to press the pedal. House party.